Hey, welcome to the Daily Dig with Debbie. Today I am trying a first time recipe, but it's not the recipe that we can eat. It is the recipe in place of these dishwashing tabs. Even though I coupon and can get these pretty reasonable, they're still very expensive, and I don't always like what I see, how clean they come out. So I am trying to make some homemade ones, and you're going to be on this journey with me. Today I'm going to be using baking soda. I'm going to go ahead with store-bought lemon and then super washing soda. The other ingredient that I am supposed to use, but I told you I experiment a lot, is you're supposed to use kosher salt, but I don't have any left. I do have a lot of this, so I'm going to use this instead. When I looked up to see what the difference was between the two of them, the kosher salts sometimes have an anti-caking agent, and they are more coarse. So this one dissolves better, which might also be something useful for the dishwasher. So I'm going to use this today instead. So it's a cup of the baking soda, a cup of the super wash, a cup of the salt, and 3/4 cup of the lemon juice. Oh, it did say it foamed. Can you see that foaming? So I'm going to mix this all together. Oh, some of the foam's going down. Ooh, I like it. I still see some white. I don't know if you can see it from your end, but I'm trying to make sure that the lemon juice, boy, really pretty yellow. The lemon juice, the liquid gets all through them. Now, some of them did say that you could put some essential oils in them, like tea tree oil, which I did go ahead and get. I think it's actually a body one, but all I need is a few drops of it. But because I'm using the lemon, I'm sure that that's going to smell good. I could have also done a citrus. And I'm wondering if I just squeeze some oil out of the skin of an orange, that it would be enough. Oh, it's really pretty. See what it looks like? Now, I happen to have these silicone molds, and I don't know what I got them for, or, well, I got them someplace thinking I'd use them, but I've not been able to use them. They're the perfect size for me to put inside the dishwasher. Now, I'm noticing this doesn't make a lot. Now, I'm supposed to let this dry for the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, let me show you this. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this gives me 15 tabs, and that basically used all of that. It probably, from what I spent for this one and the other, it will still be a lot cheaper than using that. So I'm going to let these dry, and then once they're dry, I'm going to use them in my next dishwasher load, and I will let you know how they come out. Okay, I made up another batch, and this time, notice the color in it. This one doesn't seem as wet. One of the things that I did was add the baking soda after I added the lemon juice. So I don't know, this looks more like kinetic sand. And if you don't have these, and I'll show you kind of how thick they are. Again, and I may end up cutting those in half if I see they're doing really good. But if you don't have anything like this, I'm using one of my smaller casserole dishes. Now I could put the whole thing in there and make that thick and then just cut bars out it. So if you don't have molds, I'm sure this would work just as good. It hasn't even been 24 hours, but these are hard. Actually, they were hard when I left this morning. Now, this was the one yesterday that we saw that was more liquidy. These were the ones that I did second, and as you can tell, I don't think it all got incorporated, and that's why, because they're a little crumbly. Yeah. So, other than that, I think they look great. It is definitely something that I would suggest. I'll give it a try in the dishwasher and then give you an update on how everything is working. Thank you for coming by the Daily Dig with Debbie, and I hope you found this tip very helpful. Have a great day.